Are you looking for a home in a gated, family-friendly community in the city of Henderson with privacy and a layout that provides endless opportunities? Then allow me to introduce you to 2905 Monate Court in the award-winning master plan community of Inspirada. Let's go check out all this 2,821 square foot single-story home has to offer. Let's go. If you're looking for more information on this unique home or looking to buy or sell in the Las Vegas Valley, give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. I would love to discuss your specific real estate goals further. Thank you for watching.